Hey, what's up, wing holder? So this is very urgent update for all wing holder, and if you're doing this big mistake, my friend, when I tell you and this video, absolutely you are completely and the loss. So kindly, wing holder, don't skip this video because this video is going to very special for all holder. If you are a holder, then don't skip this video. All right, my friends, please, before I get started this video, I request you, my brother, to please subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Finally, subscribe this channel. All right, my friend, if you can see this time, the change occurred in the last 20 hours as positive. Plus 0.84%, they're going absolutely they are is in a good change occur, my friend, in the last 1 hour. So if they're moving like this, then absolutely they're going good, my friend, and I cannot expect this from my friend. And this last 7 days chart which result they give us absolutely mind-blowing crush pull result, and the crash pull change occur in the price, my friend, in the previous day. Absolutely all cryptocurrencies very badly fails now, because this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency is very badly fails now. But I cannot accept to wing today going up like a rocket. This time you can see 0.00 for 2014 US dollar as the price, my friend, the latest price. In the last 1 hour, you can see your change occur as 0.84%, and this time you can see here the price is absolutely here, my friend. May 7, 2021, my friend. This is the update, my friend. You can see here 8.23, my friend. This time, this is the here this time, my friend. So if we check out, my friend, the last 7 days chart to what's going on in the last 7 days chart, then absolutely we understand to upcoming days they're moving up or they fails down. This is absolutely going to very important chart. So kindly don't skip this video. Please try to understand what I taught you. You can see here, my friend, first of all, I want to draw a chart, then absolutely you understand, my friend, to upcoming days they're moving up or they fails down. You can see here, my friend, first of all, you can see after a big fall, after a big jump they fails down, and after this fails they also take a jump. Every cryptocurrency is moving, and this circulation, remember, to after this jump they also fails down. So it's mean, my friends, to after this jump they fails down. But this is very short fail, my friend, because definitely you can see here this time also they take a short fails, short jump, short fails, short jump. Here is also they take a short fails, and after this they also take a very big jump, my friend. So the good time is coming soon. Kindly holders, don't skip any second of this video, please. What I talk to you at the end of this video, my friend. If you hold and this time, absolutely, my friend, at the end of month they give you very good profit, and they hit half US dollar, my friend. 0.5 US dollar. This is the target of Winklink, my friend. This is my expectation. I cannot tell you, my friend, to this they absolutely they hit it, but this is my expectation. My expectation is very good from Winklink coin, because they absolutely hit it. This is not a very big target, my friend. So absolutely they hit it. Kindly hold it, don't sell it, please. If you sell it, then absolutely you're doing very big mistake. So kindly be safe from this mistake and be safe from more loss. Hope you understand. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for videos notification.